Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these traditional Italian almond biscuits that originated in the Tuscan city of Prato in Italy. They are twice baked, oblong-shaped, dry, crunchy, and may be dipped in a drink, traditionally vin santo, which is a type of sweet dessert wine from Tuscany. They are also known as cantucci. We are looking at how to pronounce Biscotti. You do want to stress on the middle syllable and on the double T. Biscotti. Biscotti. The delicious biscotti from Tuscany, Italy. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce many produce and cooking terms, traditional recipes of pasta, pasta shapes, everything that you want to know from the Italian cuisine. Arrivederci.